In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Board Advanced 2026 step by step. We'll build a polished mood board from scratch so you can capture a clear creative direction and collaborate with confidence. Start by heading to Miro and creating a new board. Click New Board and give it a clear name, like Brand Mood Board, April 2026, so it's easy to find later. Think of this board as your visual workspace where everything related to your concept lives in one place. Next, set up a frame to define your mood board area, select the frame tool, drag out a large rectangle, and resize it like a canvas. Rename the frame to something meaningful, such as mood board concepts. Frames keep your work organized, make navigation simple, and help you present your ideas cleanly. Before you add any visuals, define your theme. Decide on the overall style, minimalist, bold, luxury, or playful, the color direction, and who the target audience is. Add a small text box at the top of your frame that states your vibe in 1 or 2 sentences. This quick summary anchors every decision you make from here on. Now bring in inspiration. You can drag and drop images from your computer, copy and paste from websites, or use Miro's built-in image search. Add a variety of materials, photos, graphics, UI designs, and standout social media posts. Aim for high-quality visuals and a diverse mix that still feels connected to your theme. Create your color palette by inserting shapes or sticky notes and filling them with your brand colors. Labeling hues helps you stay consistent across the entire board, and it makes decisions faster when you start refining. Show typography options by uploading font samples or screenshots and type out short examples like headlines, subheads, and captions. This lets you test hierarchy and voice alongside your imagery. Organize your layout by grouping elements into clear sections: images, colors, fonts, and broader inspiration. Keep spacing clean and balanced, and align edges so the board reads smoothly from left to right or top to bottom. Add notes and labels to explain why certain visuals made the cut. Use short keywords such as modern, soft aesthetic, or high contrast to call out the qualities you're aiming for. These annotations make your rationale obvious at a glance. Refine by removing anything that doesn't match your theme, keeping only the strongest, most consistent visuals. Less is more. Clarity beats clutter. Finally, share your board with your team or client, ask for feedback, and make revisions. Collaborate in one place, update your selections, and you'll have a professional, presentation-ready mood board.